sort of underpowers, or normal would be the wars. And then all of a sudden, this lands. Adds colorless, adds red, adds green. Each opponent gains 1 life. Yeah, sort of a slow deck would love this, right? Because you don't care about the opponents gaining life points. Nice. Nice lands. It's a rare mythic. The mythic watch guys. Oh no. Was this artwork? Yeah, I mean, maybe the person was watching too many space movies or NASA photos. uh-huh. But that's not even a realistic one, is it? It's really not. No. Okay, land is subs. Adds colorless. 5 mana as every color. No way. Timeless? Well, I mean, basically, Timeless is right now in a state of absolute chaos because, well, apparently these are the most broken Magic the Gathering cards ever. They're banned in every format or something. Banned in Vintage, the strip line is. So, yeah, apparently just the ability to play 4 strip lines in the Magic the Gathering deck is just sort of unheard of. And yes, today, as of today,